Commercial fleet owners face multiple challenges including rising fuel costs, breakdowns and rash driving. Presenting AutoWiz's Fleet Management Solution. One-stop solution to all your fleet management problems. With an easy-to-install OBD-GPS device. Easy-to-use mobile app for fleet management on the go. Powerful fleet management web application. With AutoWiz you can systematically reduce the cost of your fleet operations, enhance the safety of fleet and drivers, identify opportunities to boost productivity and get effective location intelligence. Let's see how fleet owners can benefit from our solution. In order to monitor and control fuel costs across the fleet, our fuel management dashboard enables you to track your fleet's fuel mileage and fuel consumption trends. Identify vehicles with high idling time and other wasteful driving practices. With AutoWiz Fleet Health Monitoring technology, you can reduce downtime. Monitor fleet vitals including low battery, high coolant and engine diagnostics with our vehicle health dashboard and keep vehicles on the road. In order to improve driver and fleet safety, receive rash driving alerts in real time with our driving behavior dashboard. View comprehensive safety score based on multiple driving data parameters, and get insights to coach drivers to improve their driving behavior. Be on top of all key vehicle movements with AutoWiz. AutoWiz brings you a location tracking dashboard and best-in-class live tracking. See the moving vehicle's path and exact speed. Receive geofence and location-based alerts. View trip history, play back past trip and do automatic route deviation analysis. View trends and find actionable insights with our 360-degree fleet intelligence dashboard and monitor all key fleet metrics in one place. Set and achieve fleet utilization and fuel mileage goals. Systematically improve the profitability of your fleet operations. Get detailed downloadable reports and reduce manual paperwork. With AutoWiz you can integrate fleet data with other applications using our secure API, integrate a range of telematics devices and monitor add-on sensor data. Contact us for a free demo. Visit www.autowiz.in. AutoWiz, for efficient, safe and profitable fleet operations.